Hi. Now let's observe how to work with credentials and then how to get that username and password from the system manager in any other process. For which process we have given a access for environmental variable, right? Okay, let's observe this. We'll go to new page, and then we are going to use that action. Credentials is your internal business object. Now observe this. Credentials, right? Internal business object. And then here we have the different actions. What our requirement is, we need to get username and password. See this, generate and set. So get, we have a option, get. What is the credential name? Credential name we have given CRED. This is a credential name which we have created in our system. And if you observe here, come to, okay, let me close this CRED, and then output. What we required, we need a password and we required a username. Okay, we have given username, and then so we have a password. Give the link, and now come to that system manager we have created here. When it is coming to credential, observe the name CRED, the same name we have given here when we are using that in a process studio. Same name we have given. From this, what these business objects will do is, it will go to this credential IBO, and then it will click that action. That action, it will go to the database, and then it will check whether this person or this user is having a access or not, whether this environment is having a access or not, and this process is having a access or not. If all are having a access, then only it will allow you to use that username and password. Otherwise, it will not allow you to use the username and password. Let's observe this here. We are running this one. You will get the username and password. See this username and password we received, right? Now the same thing we will copy, and then let me show you something here. Let me open any other process which we have created previously. Come to the one, and then come to the new page. Okay, let me paste that one, complete thing. Now we are using this here, and click on this. Now here, did we given the access to this? No, right? This process name is calculation. We have given the access to only environmental variable when we created a credentials, but we didn't given any access to this, right? Now let's observe this. What is happening? Now running. See this? The process calculation does not have permissions to access credential, right? It means we don't have permissions to access the credentials. So like this, in secured way, we are going to use the username and password with the help of credentials. Thank you.